Hello, my name is Ambir Luna and I'm an Operations Manager with Belcan, and I'm here to talk about our new partnership with CNM on the Mexico ITAP program. Belcan is pleased to announce a partnership with New Mexico ITAP and CNM. Belcan is a global supplier involved in three main sectors: engineering services, technical recruiting, and government services. Belcan's principles are earned trust, people first, performance driven, and passion with purpose. Putting people first in New Mexico's communities by offering an apprenticeship in the government sector at Sandia National Labs will help students gain hands-on experience and develop valuable IT skills. At the end of the program, students will then have the opportunity to begin an excellent career with Belcan and further their experience.